How to change phone number in Grab account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change your mobile number here in Grab app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically what you must do is go into your Grab app, and at the bottom of your screen you're going to see 5 different options. The last one is account. So I'm going to tap there in account. And now let's suppose there's a picture here in my profile. There's not, so I'm going to tap in the green person. And there you're gonna find your details, the name that is displayed here, your mobile number, and your email address. If you want to change your mobile number, you just have to tap there, erase what you have there, write another one, and don't forget you're going to receive a verification code in order to verify your mobile number. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can change your phone number in Grab app. Thanks for watching.